We are stood today on a main access platform of one of the 160 wind turbines that RWE is currently installing off the North Wales coast. Granada Material Handling are suppliers of the Davit cranes for the Gwyntimore project. Our contract was initially to supply one Davit crane for each wind turbine and two for each OSP platform. The supply of the original contract was to the Port of Camel Laird for fitting onto the access platforms and then for shipping offshore. People should choose our crane because we are lifting equipment engineers. We have always made lifting equipment, and what we have done is taken over 35 years worth of experience in the materials handling market, and we've diversified and produced a bespoke product for the wind turbine offshore renewable industry. Loads cannot be carried by personnel accessing the platform. So the first and foremost need of the crane is to safely lift supply items and maintenance items and general tools for working from the crew transfer vessel up to the main access platform. The crew transfer vessel pushes onto the foundation. The operators, technicians access the platform, and the first thing that they do is that they get the equipment to operate the crane out of the wind turbine generator. This is then easily attached to the crane, and then using a series of instructions down to the crew transfer vessel, the loads are positioned into load bags and then safely raised up to the platform level and then dropped down. If our cranes weren't here, the only method of accessing the platform with the loads is a long, time-consuming manual pulley system. This involves reeving of pulley blocks, and it's effectively done by the technicians. So having the electrically driven crane up on the access platform makes it a lot more efficient, it's a lot quicker to access the turbine, and it's a lot safer. Our scope of works to RWE is expanding at the moment. We are now providing onshore and offshore commissioning works, and hopefully we will be supporting RWE and specifically Gwyntimore in the operation and maintenance phase of Gwyntimore for many years to come. It's extremely important for us to be working directly for RWE on such a prestigious project as Gwyntimore. Granada Material Handling employ local engineers and also have a wide and varied local supply chain. So helping us to support the supply chain locally is extremely important to us, and having a project of this size and this complexity on our doorstep has been of a real benefit to Granada Material Handling.